Hi, this is White Rings. I am Ajin Leo English teacher. Today we will learn the second unit prose, Queen of Boxing. It is an autobiography. Autobiography and biography both are different. Biography means one who writes the other's life story is called biography. Autobiography means one who writes one's own life story, that is called autobiography. Anyhow, this is an autobiography, Queen of Boxing, written by M.C. Mary Kom. M.C. Mary Kom is a Indian woman boxer and the winner of 5 World Boxing Championship and an Olympic bronze medal in 2012. She herself wrote her life story called autobiography named The Queen of Boxing. Now we can go to the lesson. The lesson starts after the Bangkok Championship. She was selected for the International Boxing Association in 48 kg category. What is 48 kg category? Usually, the boxers are categorized according to their weights. So, she was selected in this category, 48 kg category. Then she was assigned to participate World Women's Boxing Championship in Pennsylvania, USA in 2001. When she was selected, she was both happy and sad. She was very happy because for the first time she is going to America and participate World Women Boxing Championship. And she is sad because she does not have enough money to go there. Her father gave only 2000 rupees for this trip. Is that enough? Impossible. That is not at all enough. She knew that America is most expensive country than any other. But she has to go there to fulfill her dreams. So she asked help from his friend Andler. Andler gathered few friends for her and meet 2 member of parliaments and gets a donation. 2 MPs gave 5,000 and 3,000 respectively. Then she also collected money from her own villages. With that princely sum, she flew to America and took a decision that she should not come back with empty hands. Finally, she reached America. Since they arrived there as a last team, they went straight to the sporting area from the airport. She already suffered by jet lag. Jet lag means it is a tired and unpleasant feeling ever we experienced while we travel through the flight. Okay, so she is already suffered by the jet lag. Anyhow, they reached in sports area where they took the athletes' weight to categorize them according to their weights. So the first session is waiting session, it's over. She was selected in 48 kg category. Later she found that she doesn't have any other match on that day. So she was so lucky because she can able to take rest on that day. But other teammates were not so lucky. They had matches on that day. Her teammates one by one they lost their matches. But the next day she is the one to reach the finals. The athletes are unbeatable as she thought. Even then, she managed to win one by one. In quarter-final, she defeated Nadia Hokmi of Poland. In semi-final, she defeated Jamie Beagle of Canada. Then she qualified to the finals. But in final, she lost her match by Hula Sahin of Turkey. So she was much disappointed now. She cried a lot. According to her, the reason of the loss is the loss of appetite. She cannot adapt to food, which result she started to lose her weights. That is the reason. Already she had many experiences like this. In course of her career, she traveled to many countries in many places. One time in China, athletes were given chopstick to eat food. But Nobody didn't know how to use the chopstick to eat meals. When other teammates asked for the spoons, she is the one to manage to eat food with the chopsticks. After 5 years of her career, she started to taking food from home. Anyhow, she lost her match. She is much disappointed now. Her coaches console her that at least she could won the silver medal. And that tournament, she is the one who won the medal, at least the silver medal. That was the first silver medal in boxing in international matches. Anyhow, that match gave her a big confidence. With the silver medal, she returned to India. Deep inside, she was not so happy. As she reached in India, she found one thing. Next time, she should come back with the gold. When she reached in Delhi, people gave her a warm welcome. She was greeted with the garlands and drumbeats. A big celebration held in Langhol. She was presented with a traditional shawl. She gave an address to the people. In her address, she promised that she would win gold medal in the upcoming matches. After winning the silver in Pennsylvania, the government announced prize money for her. The prize money is only enough for her immediate financial worries. But she needed a job. That only a long-term security for her steady income. At that time, she got married. So she doesn't have enough savings except a few of LICs, life insurance policies. Then the Manipur government offered her a job as a sub-inspector of police in sports quota. So one who selected in sports quota, often they can attend the duty. The other time they can engage in the sports. So she got a salary of 15,000 in that first job. As she was selected in sports quota, she could go to sports anytime she wants. Family and friends thought after her marriage she couldn't want any medal. But after her marriage, she started to win one by one. She had a good run from 2001 to 2004. She won several medals. She won second Women Boxing Championship in 2002 and second Asian Women's Boxing Championship at Heiser in 2003, third World Women Boxing Championship at Russia in 2005, fourth World Women Boxing Championship in 2006. Along with that, she won a number of other international championships in Vietnam, Taiwan, Denmark and so on. The most notable one is the fourth World Championship in New Delhi. She won Stelita Dutta in Romania player. She considered it was one of the greatest achievements because it is the only one women championship which is held in India. And in that matches, India won 4 gold medal, 1 silver and 3 bronze on those matches. With this hat trick of world championship, she was portrayed as queen of boxing and magnificent Mary.